Hi there, students. Taut, taut, T-A-U-G-H-T. Yes, it sounds identical to the past tense of teach. Okay, taut, stretched, pulled tight, not slack. So, for example, this is just hanging down, but now it's taut, it's stretched. Yeah, it's not slack, it's taut. And that is taut. It's stretched, stressed. It's got tension on it. But then you can also use this idea of taut more metaphorically. So the muscles on his neck were taut with stress, or his voice was taut with nervous excitation. Okay, so taut nerves, tense, highly strung. Something that's taut is stretched, is under tension. So a muscle can be taut. Yeah, it's to pull something taut, to pull it tight, to pull it rigid, to stretch it. They pulled the rope taut. A person, if their body is taut, they are very thin with strong muscles. Or somebody could have a taut expression. They look worried and tense. Yeah, his face was taut and worried. Okay, there was a taut, strained air in the room, and I told some jokes to try to relieve the tension, to relieve the tautness. You could have a scene in a film that is taut. It means it's exciting. It doesn't have unnecessary details. A taut thriller, concise, terse, succinct. Okay, so taut, tense, tight, strained, stiff, stretched, steady, drawn. Okay, so the skin of a drum is taut. The clothesline was pulled taut. His body went taut as he jumped. Exercise helps your muscles stay taut. The skin was taut over his cheekbones. His face was taut and terrified. She looked upset and her face was taut. Her face was taut and pale. There was a taut edge to his voice. So stressed, stretched. The muscles in his neck were taut, were stretched, were stressed. Okay, were under tension, like a bowstring. A bowstring is taut. And then of a body, not fat, firm, toned. A person have a lean, strong, taut body. And then from that, okay, only containing relevant parts, something that's concise, that's crisp, that's got just the right amount. So a taut, exciting scene in a book. And then taut, experiencing anxiety or stress. Yeah. So the atmosphere was very taut. So as you see, there are various different ideas. So she speaks in short, taut sentences without anything extra, with just what is needed and no more. Okay, so exactly the right amount, no more than necessary. Sparing in details, the concise use of something. So finances are rather taut at the moment. Okay, they're a bit less stretched. When muscles are taut, it's easy to injure something. to pull the clotheslines taut. A taut thriller about a rescue at sea. Okay, taut. 5.5, 5 informality. Use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, taut. Well, from Old English, tough. Yeah? Maybe distended, but tough, taut, difficult to break. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Taut.